Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video I wanted to start off with some ideas for earnings as we head into tomorrow. So one of the two companies that I'm going to be looking at playing is Nike, and if you step back and look at the weekly chart of Nike, this doesn't fit the technicals quite as perfectly as I might like to see generally speaking, but I think it has some good concepts that I wanted to share ahead of the report, and then we'll see how it acts after the numbers are out. But if we come back and look at some major swings here in Nike, back down into 2014, and then using the high that we had up here around 68, you can see that a major retracement of that swing low to swing high was made here in October of last year, and we're looking at that as being an important low. If a stock is going to maintain this general bullish pattern, then those 618 retracements tend to be very important. Okay, if we're going to agree that that's a relatively important low, then from that point we've been working a pattern of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows. So I'm trying to work that idea that the stock just won't fall apart into earnings, and then when you look to the daily squeeze, just the way it's positioned right here, I think we have a chance for a move up into about 55 or so. So a couple different ways of looking at that, but I think a butterfly up into 55 or working some short puts around 53 is one way to go about it. Now, of course, remember with earnings trades that if that is wrong and we wake up and that is broken, we could absolutely be back down at 47 or anywhere to the downside. But it's saying that if the stock is going to hold up, this will be an important place to do it, and I'll be looking at that with some risk-defined spreads as we head into tomorrow. Another is MU. And it's another thing where anything can happen with this, of course, because earnings can be extremely volatile. But the price work that I'm trying to work with right now is a general concept that we've seen where the stock likes to correct in these little 4-day patterns, and the fact that into tomorrow, provided the low we saw on Monday holds, that would be a nice repetition of that pattern. So if tomorrow's low breaks, or if MU is getting hammered ahead of the report, I may have to revisit this idea. But right this second, I'm looking to 34. 34.44 as being a area of symmetry and a support decision. The timing would make sense to come through into the report tomorrow as well. And I think another place where you can look at something around a $35 butterfly or using the put credit spread, and those are both risk-defined ways to see if we can get some bullish movement on Wednesday. So I hope that helps, and we'll see you guys at the next free video.